Dear creators, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to design a business card that will wow your clients and help your brand stand out? Whether you're starting your business or giving your brand a fresh look, Canva is here to help you create professional business cards, no design experience needed. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create a business card from scratch using Canva's free templates. So let's dive in. First, let's head over to Canva and sign in. If you don't have an account, don't worry, it's free. Okay, so we'll go to the templates, which is on the left-hand side corner. And here you will see all the different templates that you want. However, since we are making a tutorial on business cards, I'm going to type in here business cards. In the search window. And here you see that you will get all the different kind of business cards. So these are the different templates that you have of the business cards. You can select, if you do not have a premium account, you can select from the free versions, free templates which are available. Anybody which has this sign is a pro, which means you would not see it or you would not be able to use it. For this tutorial, specifically, I'm going to go ahead and use a free design template for the business card. So let's see which one we are going to go ahead and use. Let's say I want to use this one. Okay. Canva also gives you the option to print, and you can select the quality of paper that you want them to print. So for example, there is a standard paper, there's the premium paper, and then this is the deluxe paper. You can also select the type of finish that you want. If you want a matte finish, a gloss finish, an uncoated finish. You have a soft touch base and then the square corners, right? Whether you want a traditional square cut corners or the rounded corners, whatever it is, you can select from the options that is available in here. If you want this to be printed through Canva, they're gonna go ahead, print the business cards for you once you have customized it, and they are going to send it to your mailing address. Of course, there's a cost to it, and you can select as many business cards as possible, and select the quantity basis that you would be able to see what is the price. All right, so let's get to customizing this template. I click on customize this template and it opens up a new window. Once it opens up a new window, I can go ahead and customize it. Just for the purpose, let's see how the front and the back look like. Okay. So there are three things to it. This is just kind of a website URL for instructions. So we are not going to go ahead and use this one. We are going to go ahead and customize this and this. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and let's say I want to use it for myself. And I'm going to put in here content creator. want this QR code, so I'm going to remove the QR code. I'm going to put in here the name of the reviews, and I'm going to put in here reviews. Reviews.com. Now here I do not want this, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. As soon as I remove it, you will see this picture in here, which means you can go ahead and impersonate it with any picture of your liking. I'll go to elements, and within the elements section you have lot of designs, pre-designs, pro designs, which you can choose for. I will select something which I want to use as a photo in the top, and let's say I'm going to go to the photo section and I'll look into the 1,000 of designs which are available, and we'll select the one which I like. So I'll go for a minimalistic one, let's say this one, and I'm going to just push it in here. There you go. Very easy. Again, I'm going to go ahead and customize it. I don't want this, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. You can also change the color palette, so you just need to click on the background color and you are going to go ahead and select the color that you want. I'm going to go ahead and use this one since it is in line with our brand. You can also go ahead and create your brand colors if you are a business, a content creator, designer, and you have some specific colors go with your brand and you want the same brand colors to be used for all your designs. You can add your brand colors and you can name it, and every time you create a design, only those brand colors would be visible. For this tutorial, I'm not going to go ahead and show how to create those brand colors. Maybe in next tutorial I'm going to go ahead and show. Here I can also go ahead and just write anything, so why don't we go ahead and use the magic write, and I'm going to write, let's say, okay, there you go. More like this. So it will give you many different options, right? But if I do not want this and I want it to be, this, but restrict it to one single line. I want it because for the business card I need it for just one single line. I'm just going to go ahead and click on, and there you go. And I will replace it. I'll just move it here, and I can also choose icons. So let's say from the elements again, I want to select from the graphics, right, the different icons which will just go with it. I can put anything in here. I have put in content creator. You can put anything that you want, and it will give you thousands and thousands of different graphics, photos, designs, videos, whatever you need for any of your business templates. For this specific business card and tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. And there you go, voila. Let's go ahead and customize the back one. And And if we want the back to be plain, we can keep it plain. If we want to fill in something, we can go ahead and do it. I do not want this design, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. And keep it very simple with a logo. Let's see, I want in here. I'll go to the text section and I'll add a text box, and I want to keep it very simple. Yes, rave reviews. I'll select the style in here and I want to keep it in handwriting this, and it'll show me all the different fonts, styles that I want to use. I can select any. I can again go back to the elements, and let's say this time I want to use it here. I can also go ahead and put the link of my YouTube channel or any of your social media channels in here. Let's say I want to put Facebook logo, or let's say YouTube logo. So I can select from any of the logos in here. I can select this one. And I also want an Instagram logo. Instagram logo, and let's say I also want to put in the Facebook logo. So, there you go. So you can include as many logos and the links for your social media handles that you want, and I'm going to put in here. I'll go back to the text box and I'm going to use the text box in here and type in the YouTube logos. I'll go to my reviews at 344 and I'll put in here at reviews at 344, and I'll reduce the font size. And if you have a common handle for all of them, you can select one, or you can go ahead and put in different IDs. So there you go. Pretty simple. Once you have done it, we do not need this page, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. You can go ahead, as I said, go to print with Canva if you are thinking of getting it printed through Canva, and if you have already selected the design, the matte finish, the corners and everything, and you know the pricing, you just need to click on continue, and it again gives you the option to select from here. If you did not select in the initial page, you can select it from here. You can click on continue, you can put in your address, and it will get delivered to your address if you do not want the hassle of going to a printing shop and getting it printed. However, if you do not want it to be printed through Canva, you can click on share, you can click on download, and here you can select the PDF type. I would recommend selecting PDF print. And here you see you have all the three options that is there. You can, for crop and bleed, You can include, check this option if you're trimming the design after printing, if you want the design to be trimmed after printing. For flattened PDFs, it just converts the content to simple image, right? So you can include this, not recommended though. And if you want some notes included with the download, it will appear in the notes under that. You can select the color palette. It will already go ahead and select the one which is usually recommended. You can also select this, or you can select the RGB, best for digital use, or you can for professional printing, and you can click on download. There you go. And that's how you can go ahead and create beautiful. And there you are. You have just designed your very own professional business card in Canva. It's that easy. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of business card designs you're thinking of creating. I would love to see them. Catch you in the next one. Keep designing and make those connections count. Bye.